Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to the market to buy some fish.
We are buying some fish.
I have come to buy the fish. Yeah, the fish has been cut over here. You can see the fish over here also in this, all alive. This is the shop where I am buying fish. And here they are being cleaned. They are cleaning the fish and now they'll cut it into pieces.
दिन भर का चीज है जब मर्जी है जिंदा
बना
बेटी वाला पीस नहीं
I bought the fish. Now I've put water in it. Now I'm going to clean the fish. Wash it nicely. Today I'm going to make fish curry. Very simple. Village type fish curry today I'm going to make. This fish is about 1.5 kilo. I have washed the fish. Now I will put salt. Put turmeric powder. And mix it well. Keep this aside. I'm going to fry the fish now and then make the fish curry. Put mustard oil. Oil is turned hot. Now I'll put in the fish to fry. All the fish is fried up. You can see I fried all the fish. Now in the same oil, I will make the curry. This is black jeera mongrel. I'll put this in. Put in the chopped tomatoes. This is mustard paste, ginger and garlic all mixed together. This is dhania paste, which I will put in the curry now. Put in the mustard, ginger, garlic and paste. I have put the mustard, ginger, garlic paste. Put the dhania paste also. Put some turmeric. Put 2 spoons chili powder. And let the masala fry. Put some salt to taste. Mix the salt with the masala as well. Masalas are turned brown. Now put the water. When this gravy starts bubbling, then I will put the fish in. The gravy is bubbling. You can see it. Now I'll put in the fish. Put some coriander. Cover it up and let it cook for 2 minutes. Village style fish curry is ready. How delicious the fish is looking. You can see. Very tasty, yummy, delicious fish curry. Village style fish curry is ready. Thank you for watching my video.